Hi, this is Kalee, and I'm a sound healer, and I am in Portland, Maine, where I have my sound healing studio. And I thought I would do this video to explain a little bit about my work or my play, and a little bit about the tools that I use for sound healing work. So sound healing is to create a shift or a change in a chosen vibrational field. So to change or to shift is just another way of saying to heal. And sound is vibration, it's frequency. And so if someone comes in and they're very stressed in their life and they don't want to feel stressed anymore, what I do is I have to be grounded and very expanded, and I have to become and be and anchor in for them the vibration of peacefulness. And so as I am the vibration of peacefulness, they will start to sync up with me. So I have to be very grounded, expanded, and become that vibration. So I do this with tools, and some of my tools are here today. Well, they're always here. They're in my sound healing studio. It's like go on a trip. But I have, first of all, the crystal singing bowls, which are these. They're quartz crystal, and they're the frosted, classic frosted crystal. And this is a B chakra, the crown chakra. And I have an F for the heart. These bowls are tuned to the 7 main chakras or energy centers in the body, from root to crown. And they are quartz crystal, and they are very powerful in that your brain starts to entrain with the patterns, and you go into a higher state of consciousness. You get very relaxed, and you go into the alpha brainwave states and the theta brainwave states. So those are the crystal bowls. Also, I may be guided to use drums, and this drum in particular is a low bass drum. It's a wider frame, so it makes it a lower bass sound. And we use drums a lot for grounding, really connecting into earth. And also you can use them for cleaning and clearing whatever's in someone's space. And also you can entrain the brainwaves with a drum pattern too, like many shamans do. Then sometimes I get called to use Tibetan bells like this one. That's feeling really sweet to me right now. Yeah, that feels nice today. And then I also have some tingshas, which are very special. They were a gift. And these traditionally are used to open and close a ceremony. So sometimes I might open a session with these. Very sweet. It can get a person ready for the transition into the healing process. Little bells to awaken certain areas of the body, certain memories. Little chimes. And the chimes are sweet. They bring in the sweetness or the lightness. A lot of times when I'm working with angelics, which I do a lot, the little tinkles, the little bells, the higher frequency light sounds seem to be attracting more of an angelic light being, very high light vibration. And also, oh, how could I forget? I have a crystal pyramid, beautiful crystal pyramid I just got about a week ago. And this sounds beautiful. Check this out. So that's the crystal pyramid. The crystal pyramid seems to work really well with intention. It seems to magnify the intention, and intentions are created with the vibration of the feeling and the thought form. So it's like, you know, turning thoughts into things and just sending it right out on the sound. And that's crystal as well. And I'm a distributor for crystal tones, so I do sell the bowls. And I sell crystal pyramids. They come in all different sizes. Bowls come in all different sizes, shapes, and tones. And yeah, so to end with, I just thought maybe I would just, you know, share a little peace meditation with sound. And of course, the most important sound tool that we all have is right here, and that's the throat chakra. The singing voice, and the speaking voice. We can create and manifest in a very powerful way through this throat chakra. So when someone comes in, I might actually sing a lot into their body, and the body tells me where it's needing sound. So thank you very much for watching this video, and my intention is to send you a very beautiful, blissful evening or day.